Imagine embarking on a journey through the vast expanse of space. The cosmos, with its countless stars and galaxies, can seem overwhelmingly complex. Similarly, the world of software development, particularly for large and intricate projects, can feel like navigating an uncharted universe. This is where the Unified Process Model, or UP, emerges as our trusty spacecraft, providing a structured framework to navigate the complexities of software creation. UP is not merely a rigid set of rules, but rather an adaptable roadmap, guiding us through the software development lifecycle. Like a seasoned explorer charting a course through the cosmos, UP helps us define our destination, the desired software product, and outlines a flexible yet disciplined approach to reach it. At its core, UP emphasizes iterative and incremental development, promoting a cyclical approach where we repeatedly refine and expand our understanding of the software we are building. This iterative process allows us to learn from each cycle, incorporating feedback and making incremental improvements, ultimately leading to a robust and high-quality software product. Just as a cosmic dance unfolds in stages, so too does the Unified Process Model progress through distinct phases, each marked by specific goals and activities. These phases flow seamlessly into one another, much like the continuous evolution of a star. The first phase, inception, is akin to the birth of a star, where the initial spark of an idea ignites the project. It involves defining the project's scope and assessing feasibility. This phase lays the groundwork, much like a stellar nursery. Next comes elaboration, where the nascent star begins to take shape. Here we refine requirements and establish a robust foundation. Construction marks the phase of active development, where the star shines brightly. This is where the majority of coding takes place. Finally, transition represents the star reaching the end of its life cycle, gently transitioning its energy back into the cosmos. Within the grand cosmic dance of the Unified Process Model, several core workflows operate in concert, much like the fundamental forces shaping the universe. These workflows represent the essential activities that permeate each phase, ensuring a cohesive and well-rounded approach to software development. Requirements gathering, akin to astronomers observing celestial objects, involves understanding and documenting what the software needs to accomplish. It's about capturing the needs of stakeholders and translating them into clear, concise specifications. Analysis delves deeper, dissecting these requirements to uncover underlying meaning and relationships, much like astrophysicists analyze starlight to decipher the composition of distant stars. Design focuses on how to realize the requirements, transforming the analytical model into a blueprint for implementation. Implementation is where the actual construction takes place, where code is written based on the design specifications. Finally, testing acts as our quality assurance mechanism, rigorously verifying that the software meets the specified requirements and functions as intended. It's like launching the spacecraft and monitoring its performance, making adjustments along the way to ensure it stays on course. Section 4. The Expanding Universe, Iterative and Incremental Development. One of the most profound revelations in cosmology is the realization that the universe is not static, but rather constantly expanding. Similarly, the Unified Process Model embraces change and evolution through its iterative and incremental nature. This means that instead of attempting to build the entire software system in one go, we break it down into smaller, manageable iterations. Each iteration in UP involves revisiting and potentially refining all core workflows, requirements, analysis, design, implementation, and testing, based on feedback from the previous cycle and evolving stakeholder needs. This iterative approach offers immense value. It allows us to identify and address risks early on, reducing the likelihood of costly surprises later in the project. Section 5. Navigating the Software Galaxy, Benefits and Applications of the Unified Process Model. Just as the telescope revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, the Unified Process Model has transformed software engineering. Its structured yet flexible nature suits large-scale software projects. UP's iterative approach fosters collaboration and stakeholder involvement. Continuous feedback ensures the final product meets expectations. Early risk mitigation reduces costly rework. UP is used in aerospace, automotive, and financial industries. Its adaptability makes it valuable for diverse software challenges. Like a reliable spacecraft, UP guides us through software development complexities.